So this is the Mountfield Electress 38. All different cutting heights. Some specs on the side. It's quite light. But as you can see, it all comes in bits. It's very nice looking actually. Real sleek and... But I mean it's Mountfield, so it's quite a good one. Got your instructions. Your grass box. Obviously comes in parts. With this bit as well. And then you have all your other bits. And you have your cable right there. And then you have your handles. So I'm going to get this put together and see what it looks like. Right, as you can see, it's together. Obviously you've got these doohickeys. Note, when you put this piece on, when it comes to putting this piece on, it does have this clip on. I was under the illusions I would take that out and clip it over. No, you're better off taking this off and sliding it up there. Obviously take the nut out, then put it on there and slide it up. And this is to hold the cable, the electric cable. Also, on another note is these. I found it easier just to turn them like that to fasten them up, because obviously I did it wrong in the first place. I put these ones on here because that's what it looked like. The instructions are that small. The instructions are that small. Maybe if I can do this, you might get a clearer. So that might be a bit clearer than when you get the actual instructions. Also, another mistake I made. So do check these first. Is this bit here on the grass box. Make sure you install it as you put it together. I've just had a right job getting it to bits to put it in. So make sure you put this in when you're clipping all the grass box together. Make sure you clip that in together because it's really important. It is one-handed, as you can see. Quite easy to pick up. Got your different cutting heights there, quite high, which are all there. It's just a bit like a gear lever really, and so this pushes on as well. That's already connected to the lawnmower and that just pushes on. Obviously anybody who's not familiar, press the button and pull that. We'll get you going. So the handlebars are a little bit twisted to me. I could have them not quite on right, but to me they look a bit twisted. But it doesn't really matter because you're going to be pushing in a straight line anyway. The actual cable itself comes with a cap. So this is good if you don't have a lot of storage and you don't want to tie the, it plugs in there and you don't want to tie it all around the lawnmower. If you want to take that off, you can do. You can use this bit here to wrap all your cable round so it doesn't fall out. And lastly not least is the grass box, obviously. Simple fit, and it looks pretty good. It does actually look pretty good. It's really nice colours. It did take me about half an hour to put together because I put bits together wrong, obviously. But for the price of it, and it being a Mountfield, I would recommend this. So I just thought I would give this a whirl so you can hear what it sounds like. I've got the handle pulled. So there you go. It is pretty noisy, but like, it's an electric lawnmower, and by far, I would say, one of the best at the minute. Especially with this, I like this little gear stick thing. Just come with your warranty, register it, get your warranty, guys. There you go.